Okay, so what you guys have done is your 2-minute gesture drawing, your proportion and anatomy, little copy of the drawing that I showed you. You've now done 5-minute gesture drawing, and now we're going to do 3 really short gesture drawings, right? So we're going to do a 1.5 minutes. We're going to do a 1 minute, and we're going to do a 30-second gesture drawing, right? So that's 3 little drawings. Again, you can keep doing them on the same page. You can just kind of zoom in with your camera when you go to do them, or you can maybe write them, right? Now, this is in a sense harder than doing this because now you have the proportions in your brain, you kind of know where stuff goes, but I really want to try to steer you away from starting with the details. So I'm going to have you do these quick gesture drawings, right? So for this, you need a timer again, and there are certain elements I want you to get within each drawing. I want you to have 2 eyes, a nose, a mouth, ears, or if you're the kind of person that has like hair that covers your ears, then I guess you're lucky, you don't have to draw them, right? And kind of the outline of the face and hairline. All right, so I want you to have all the elements of a face within that time frame. All right, so I'm going to have my timer here, and timer. One minute, 30 seconds, and I'm just gonna lower this. Just kind of aim over there. All right, so again, looking in the mirror, or again, those of you who are lucky enough to have someone to draw. So I have my timer going, I'm looking at myself, I'm sketching out kind of where the eyes go, nose, and I'm looking at the space between the eye and the nose. The eyes look too far apart, so I'm just kind of scribbling darker, closer together. Nose, got the mouth over here. Chin, we got some ears. This is gonna go really, really quickly. Now, keep in mind I've done this before. Probably thousands of times if I'm honest. Right, and now I'm kind of looking around at eyes are, I'm scribbling a little darker, a little closer together. I have a lot of shading on here. Little eye bag area. The mouth and jaw look too kind of big. The nose and the chin are too far away. The nose and mouth. I'm just moving the mouth up. Here's now the corners of the mouth. All right. Stop. All right, so that is my 1.30 pose. I'm gonna scoot this over here. Now, go for my minute pose. Okay, so remember the things you wanna have from this. Hairline, jawline, eyes, nose, mouth, ears, right? Going again, I'm gonna go right here, I'm gonna do 1 minute, okay? And if it's helpful, you can maybe start kind of something like this, all right? Notice I'm just putting those things on there. Put them on, worry about kind of their shape, etc. later. Scooching them closer together, getting the corners of the mouth, fixing the shape of the jaw. That's kind of like, I'm gonna scoot the eyes up. See, I'm just scribbling darker within the cloud of stuff, and now it looks weirder than it did before, but that's okay. The object of this is not to get a beautiful drawing. I know that it's hard to come to terms with that, but try to think about learning to observe. Okay, there's my little bandana thingy. Ears. Okay. Cancel. All right, that is my 1 minute, and now we're gonna do 30 seconds. Okay, this is the hardest one you'll possibly do. So, 30 seconds, and I'm gonna do this one over here. Okay, so just really quickly, you know, sometimes I start with kind of the eyes, sometimes I start with the head. Okay, here's kind of eye area, nose, just put it on there. Eyes, nose, mouth, ears. Scooching the eyes closer. Corners of the mouth. Trying to get the jawbone certain shape. Bandana thing. All right. There we go. So we got our 90-second, 60-second, 30 seconds.